Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain ClassLink Launchpad app review to see if it's worth using. So to get started with the app review about ClassLink Launchpad. The ClassLink Launchpad is a single sign-on platform that gives students and educators one-tap access to all their school app, files, and tools with features like Cloud Drive integration with Google Drive and OneDrive, together with a virtual desktop and instant app launch. It helps eliminate password fatigue and keep everything organized in one place. Teachers and IT admin love that is synchronization with easy and with school system. Support remote learning and work across devices. The app is especially useful for K-12 schools trying to centralize digital learning. The downside is, while it functions well most of the time, the app can occasionally lag, log out user, or fail to load on certain devices. Students have also reported that it doesn't always work reliably on professional and personal phone or tablet. Still, when used with school-supported device and strong internet, ClassLink Launchpad is a convenient and effective tool. It's worth it for schools that want to simplify student access to multiple digital platforms. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more. Thanks.